Hello boys and girls, in this video we're gonna talk about UseContext. If you're not familiar with UseContext, it's way of passing data around whole tree without prop and drilling. And also we externalize context to share multiply components. So let's begin. First of all, what we're gonna do, we'll create UseContext file. In that file we create function okay, sorry, my bad. And we gonna add two things. First of all, use context. Second, use state. So now that's good. Secondary, what we're gonna do, we wanna provide some values, and in this case I think we're gonna try really simple things. So const, then I think what we're gonna do, maybe fruits or users. No, I think phone set phone, and then which we're gonna do, use state, and I think for now that's all. That's good. And next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a UseContext file first of all. Also you can name it store that all data could be. Okay, some files already exist. Okay, I created. Then what we're gonna do is create use store tsx, and in this file we're gonna bring import react create context. That's good. The next thing what we're gonna do, we set up initial state, what value will be. So const initial state, then equal and brackets. So we decide what type of value would be. So in this case we say phone, then I think what we're gonna take serious, I think for example Apple SX serious, then save it. And second thing would be we will use later on that, but I create right now. For the structure I wanna match the schema of this practical initial state. So we export type. The type would be, we can create phone state that would be the same, and type of would be copy initial state. And we can see we decide what type would be, and in this case phone state. Later on we will use that. I will explain why. The next thing, we create some context. I don't have a type, but I declare right now one. Const context equal create context, and we will decide what type would be. So type of okay, I'm misspelling, type of In this case we will take initial state, but for example if we create interface we use that over there. So yeah, and just simplified everything. And we take initial state. Right, then we export default, and we export that name context. Okay, we finished with that store, and now we're gonna go to the main file. First of all, what we're gonna do is to add some data in the use state. In that case, supposed to be one of these phone states. So I think we can start phone, then I don't know, Apple for example, then the series number, and would be not number, it will be a string, but it's X. So next thing what we're gonna do, we need to return something, and in this case when we're using useState we should return provider, where we provide all the data where we put. So let's begin. Phone context, okay, phone context, something, phone context, then we're gonna add provider. Okay, I'm misspelling something, but I'm not sure why I cannot find. Yeah, okay, my bad. I forgot to import the file that we add in the store. Like that, this and that. Then we gonna do phone I don't wanna phone context, then phone state. That's good. Okay. So we will back to return phone context. That's good. But I forgot add less provider, where we provide that all that, and we need to add a value. So value would be phone, and then what we're gonna do, that value where we provide, we need to create second thing. It's a function, and in this case we need to create consumer where what value we to provide in the DOM. So adding const phone once again equal, and right now we're first time using a context, so yeah, it's a really long time to where we go. Then we need to understand what it is, what type would be. So type would be phone state that we decide, and we can see that right now we will back to phone and series number. That's good. Next thing what we're gonna do, we need to add phone context, then we need to return something. In this case, we're gonna return a component div HTML. So p paragraph would be phone. Then we need to choose phone, where is all the save everything, and we can choose phone or save as. In this case, we phone. And second thing would be save as, then phone once again, and okay, that's good. And last thing, we need to put everything over there. So consume, no, I don't like that, I wanna this. Okay, that's good. And we can check if it's working. And next what we're gonna do, we'll take set phone to change the value when we decide, and we can start. So we create a button on click. I'm forgot we need to write on that thing on on click. Okay, misspelling once again. That, and we're gonna return a set phone. So we can put set phone and brackets, and we copy everything, and in this case we use Samsung, and I don't know, S21. So if it's everything okay, we should okay. We create use context. Use context is when we provide everything in the DOM. So we should check something went wrong. And of course, once again I forgot, we need to import. Sorry, my bad. Use context. And okay, I forgot to add some, I don't know, some name, but you understand. If we render, and we can see it's changed. So yeah, how it's working. So in the end we can say, so notice we don't do any prop drilling between consumer and the state. So what it's mean, it's way faster, and no need to repeat everything. We can put everything in the one thing, and we just put, for example, if we use a huge file, we can provide use provider on the, for example, apps app, in this case, for example, over there, and everyone will use that. So for me that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.